I'm fine. How are you, FM झेलम? तुम बताओ कैसे हो यार? मैं तो बिल्कुल ठीक। मोइज, कैसे हो मोइज? तुम क्या झेलम के रहने वाले हो क्या? 95,603, 95,603, 604, 95,297, 95,000, 95, 298, 96 कर लें। 296। यस ब्रो, ऑफिस पीसी से टेक्स्ट कर रहा हूँ। अच्छा, क्या काम करते हो? तो हमारे पास कल यार नैस्डैक का, मैंने मेरा बेसिक क्राइटेरिया ये था कि हम लोग यहाँ से सपोर्ट लेते और ऊपर जाते, बट वो रिजेक्शन, हमारा क्राइटेरिया सारा इनवैलिड हो गया। मैं अभी वेट कर रहा हूँ। मैं अभी वेट कर रहा हूँ। आई एम वेटिंग फॉर द प्राइस टू मूव अबव 21,500, 500, लेट्स से। रे, हाउ आर यू ब्रदर रे? हाउ आर यू? सो नाइस टू सी यू ब्रदर। Hope you're doing good. Okay, so pehle first case scenario, the Nasdaq. I'm waiting for the Nasdaq to get above 21,500. Then I'll be taking a long from this point. I will consider from 21,000 till these two lines, from 21,000 to 21,250. It's a no man's land. I'm not allowed to trade within this range. Okay, I'm only allowed to take a swing long with a very good risk to reward ratio above 21,500. So I'm first, पहले मैं इस चीज का वेट कर रहा हूँ. The second thing I'm waiting for is जो second thing would be a scalping, minor scalps on 1 minute on the Bitcoin. So these are the two things I'm looking for. So Nasdaq would be used in a swing trading model, and I'll be using Bitcoin to scalp. So for Bitcoin, yesterday I have given you two levels. These were the two levels, right? The first one is 95,473. The next one below this level of higher time frame support level would be 91,135.24. These are the two levels which I'm looking for generally as a reference, that the market will take some sort of a support above this point or above this point and move further up higher. As long as we are above these 2 points, I'm generally looking for, in back of my mind, I'm thinking that I'm generally looking for swing longs as long as we are above these two price point. But if we move below these two price point, then I'll wait for some time, then I'll take a short. But it's not gonna be, like, it's gonna take some time. It's not gonna be that fast. First, I will be targeting this point in an intraday short. Okay. So now come to the 1 minute time frame. Okay, we are coming back to the 1 minute time frame. We are looking at this specific price as a reference point for the downtrend in the smaller time frame. So we have made a higher time frame bias. We have higher time frame bias. You can generally think in the higher time frame bias that we are going to make some sort of a long ranges. यहाँ पे हम लोग chop करेंगे. We are gonna chop between these 2 points from 95 to 91,000. Then if this price held, okay, gives a lot of support, then we are gonna move up, but using these two as a reference point. So, and then we come to the smaller time frame. Smaller time frame, I'm gonna take a short. In the smaller time frame, I'm not allowed to go long. In the smaller time frame, I'm not allowed to go long as we are below this level and this high, the high of 930. Only scalping NQ probability lately. Yes, yes, Ray. Ray, you can think of it as a yearly closing price. Okay, the year is going to close like. Have you ever noticed 15 minutes? Whenever the 15 minutes is about to close, in the last 5 minutes, you can expect some sort of a volatility. Same goes with the last 10 minutes of the hourly candle. Same goes with the 4 hourly candle. And now the same thing is happening within the yearly time frame. So let's say 12 months. 12 months. Okay. We have 4 days till this year will close, this yearly candle will close. So it's a low probability. You're right. Okay, for the Nasdaq, I'm not allowed to go do anything. So I'm basically looking for the Nasdaq to come above this point within let's just say if we stay here for another 10 minutes, then I'm not allowed to touch Nasdaq for a day or two. Then we'll primarily focus on Bitcoin. Okay. I was expecting it to not give me a closing below this point till 11:30, but it's doing that, so invalidated itself. One thing which is really interesting, look at. is the volatility index. Volatility index, right? I'm gonna explain to you what I really think about it. Okay. From 16, yeah, 16.42 to 67. 16.42. Okay, let's just take 16 as a whole. Okay. 16 and 18. 16 and 18. For the weekly, we are gonna mark this color. Okay, so if we stay here for long enough, then I can expect some sort of a crash. Okay, the swing trading trend would change towards the downside on Nasdaq, on crypto, on all of these different things. So these are the two reference point I'm looking at for the volatility index. Okay. Yesterday I was really chill about the volatility index being below 16. It was somewhere around 14, right? 14. So I was expecting Nasdaq to trend higher and higher, but it has been invalidated. So let's just see what's going on gold. Hmm. 26, 24, 26 to 24. Okay, boys, keep this in mind. As long as we are below this, generally speaking, as long as we are below this point on gold, don't don't buy this. As long as we are below this point. So the point of reference would be around 26,032, 26,032, 26,032, 46, 40, 46 to 26, 42, 26, 42, 42. Let's just do as a whole, right? Okay, boys, just keep this in mind as long as we are below this box. Okay, I'm not interested in taking swing longs on gold. So what if the price comes above this point? This box can be used as a support for the price, but as for now, the price is using this as a resistance point. So I'm more inclined towards on the bullish side. Found a good long position on stock OXY, which is an oil stock. Took a look if you have a minute. OXY, OXY, OXY. First, let me just complete the narrative for the gold. Then I'm gonna move to the OXY. Okay, brother. Okay, so generally speaking, if you are interested in trading gold, just take this as a reference point that if we are below 2632 to 2642, right? This should have been used as a support, but the price is rejecting from this point. So we are below this point. So in the long term, I'm not allowed to go long. Okay, I can only take swing shots. So these are the two reference point. Just have this on you. The first one is this box. The next one is you'll see the price will respect this point a lot. 626, 626. Okay, this was what I mentioned yesterday on the stream. So the price really reacted good from this point. Okay, 626. Yeah, this was mentioned in the yesterday's stream. So let's just move it 2 points above. Okay, 626. Nothing much. 626. Let's just do 626 as a whole completely. Okay, the next ray OXY XY William Corp. Okay. So Ray, what are you looking for as a target? You should know that this thing is in a downtrend, right? So it's really nice that you have got a long, but tell me, where is your target? What are you aiming for? That's the whole point. Okay. If I were you, I would get out at 49 max. Okay. I'll explain what I'm saying. Okay. I hope you have gotten in from this point, right? So if I were you, I would get out at 49.9, 49.91. Yeah, let's just say 87. Let's just say 87. Okay. I'm gonna mark this. Okay. I'm gonna get out at this point. That's the max. Why I would get out at this point? Because this, from my point of view, is an extreme point. If I'm holding a trade from this point, this is a checkpoint. I should take something off right around here because at this point the risk would be huge and the reward would be really, really, really low. So in this case, I would get out. Then I'll wait. If it gives me some sort of a good confirmation, then or I would trail my stop loss right below this point. Now it all depends where have you gotten in from. So if you have gotten in from like 46, then it's really nice. Good risk to reward ratio. But keep in mind these places will be revisited at some point. Oh, that's not good for the Nasdaq. Okay, I wanted the price to not stay here for long enough. Now it needs some sort of a validation. So I have to wait for another hour for the Nasdaq. If I were to take a swing long, by the way, today is not the right day to take a swing long because it's Friday. But no longs, no shorts as for now. Okay, I'll just focus on Bitcoin as for now. We'll place 95,701. 95,701. That's not nice. 11:15 is imbalanced. 25 is imbalanced. 27 doesn't really matter about 27, but ninety-five thousand 190. 95, 115. Maybe 6% frame of drop. तो अगली दफा हमारा अभी this high, then we're gonna come back down. I'm gonna target this point. मुइस यार पता, ट्रेड्स तो बन जाती हैं। मैं एग्जीक्यूट करूंगा कि नहीं करूंगा वो डिपेंड करता है। ट्रेड अच्छी होगी तो एग्जीक्यूट करूंगा। इफ नॉट, देन आई एम नॉट गोना एग्जीक्यूट। ट्रेड्स तो मिल जाती हैं यार। I'm not just gonna buy or sell it anywhere. मैं कहीं भी, ऐसे तो नहीं है। I have to wait for the price to get to my position. जब वो जगह पे आएगी तब फिर ट्रेड लेना बेहतर रहता है। If the price comes back to this point, then I'm gonna take a short, or I'll aim for 1 to 1 or 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Overall, I'm targeting 91,135 as a higher time frame target.